Namaskar. I am delighted that the Tagore Center from Berlin is holding the Guru Shishya Parampara series for the Foundation Day of ICCR on April 9th, 2021. The Guru Shishya Parampara is a very important aspect of India's tradition of knowledge giving, of transmission of knowledge from one generation to the other. Whatever advances India has made, whether it is in science or technology, medicine, from music to dance, to drama, to theatre, to literary activities, this entire knowledge transmission from generation to generation has been through the Guru Shishya Parampara. For the Shishya, for the disciple, the Guru was the most important person. The person went and spent, he surrendered his ego to the Guru. He spent his time with the Guru. He learned everything from the Guru, absorbed it, assimilated it, and then excelled in it. The Guru gave all the teachings that he had to his disciple, and the disciple absorbed it by staying with the Guru and treating the Guru not only as his teacher but as his parent, and to some extent even as his God. In fact, there is a saying that Guru bina gyan nahi, Guru bina jivan aisa jaisa pran nahi, which basically means that without the Guru, without the teacher, there is no knowledge. It is like having a life but without any essence in it, without any soul in it. So for Indians across centuries, the Guru has been an important aspect of his life. That is the reason even today we celebrate Guru Purnima in India, a day dedicated to the Guru, where we treat the Guru as a God and we dedicated our lives to him. But this dedication to the Guru is changing. The Guru Shishya Parampara, even in India, is changing. Modern day youth are no more the same as the youth of earlier. Earlier, people used to learn to take knowledge for the sake of knowledge. Today, knowledge is a tool to get a job, to make money, to grow up in life. The requirement of learning things for knowledge itself, which is in the musics, the art, where you learn art for the sake of arts itself, where it makes you happy, where you fulfill your own soul, where you become greater than yourselves, that is changing. Today people are faster. They want to get things in a hurry. Everything has to be done immediately. Attention spans are small. And technology is changing everything. Earlier, knowledge used to be in the hands of the Guru. Today, knowledge is easily accessible. You can get it off books, you can get it off the internet, you can get it off YouTube. Learning music, learning dance, learning the arts is easier now than before. You don't need to surrender yourselves to the Guru. And this is also the difference. The youngsters today do not want to surrender their ego. They don't want to give everything to the Guru. They feel the system is undemocratic. There's an unequal power structure where the Guru has all the power and the youngsters don't have any of the power. And this is something which they don't like. And today's parents, not only just the students and the disciples, today's parents are also demanding. They demand something from the Guru which they never used to demand before. They used to hand over the child to the Guru and leave it to the Guru to teach. But today parents want to teach, hold the hands of the children and take them forward. So things are changing. Though the Guru Shishya Parampara tradition is changing, and people, the youngsters, no more feel as dedicated to the Guru as before, but the essence of the Guru Shishya Parampara still continues. What is the essence? The essence was that you need a teacher to guide you through life. It was not just about teaching things, it was about guiding you through life. And even today it remains the same. You need a teacher to distill all the knowledge available in the world today. You go to the internet, you go anywhere, there is a vast amount of knowledge, but you need a Guru, a teacher who can distill all that knowledge and bring it to you so that you can reflect on it, analyze it, imbibe it and internalize it. That is the importance of a Guru, and that will not change. So the Guru Shishya Parampara has to adapt to the new realities. The Guru Shishya Parampara has to see how it can adapt to technology. And it is more important in the case of the arts. Music particularly has been a great beneficiary of the Guru Shishya Parampara. The great traditions of the Gharanas have been transmitted through the Guru Shishya Parampara. There have been some cases where people look at it as undemocratic. There have been accusations of too much power by the Gurus. But at the end of it, some of the greatest musicians, some of the greatest singers, some of the greatest artists of our time have come from the Guru Shishya Parampara. And this is important because modern education does not make a difference between regular education an education of values, education of socio-economic nature, education which looks at the essence of human, education which teaches you how to deal with life, how to be humble, how to be respectful, how to look at society as one whole. Education cannot be divided into these aspects. There is an experiential part of education which comes from the Guru Shishya Parampara, where you experience, where you internalize what you are learning, what you are teaching. And music is one of the greatest beneficiaries. And in this series that we are doing, that the Tagore Center in Berlin is doing, is bringing together this experiential learning that many of the German Sishyas or German disciples have learned from their Indian gurus. This is a great tradition. And this is a tradition that will continue. It will have to adapt to modern times, but this will produce some of the best pieces of work that we have seen in this world. And I'm sure those who are watching this series and those who will be watching it for the next 3 days will appreciate the wonderful effort, the kind of dedication that went by the disciples themselves into learning from the gurus in this series called the Guru Shishya Parampara. So I wish all listeners, all viewers of this Foundation Day Guru Shishya Parampara series all the best. You will enjoy this show, and I wish Tagore Center the best in devising and formulating such a wonderful piece of program that they are giving to the viewers. Thank you very much, and Namaskar.